Welcome everyone, a warm welcome to my channel. I am Mariam Bhatt, an educator with a master's degree in statistics and a deep commitment to quality learning. Through this platform, I aim to create a sportive and engaging learning environment for students, professionals, and competitive exams aspirants. My goal is to help you not just memorize formulas but understand the why behind them. On this channel, I simplify complex statistical concepts using real life examples and practical applications. Whether it's analyzing trends in social media, making sense of everyday data, or understanding how probability affects our decisions, I break it all down in a relatable way. I also create specially designed content for children focusing on mental math development through fine techniques, quick calculations, and confidence building exercises. I help kids build a strong mathematical foundation that lasts a lifetime. For those aiming for success in PPSC and other competitive exams, I offer structured guidance including topic wise lesson, previous paper solutions, and smart strategies to approach difficult questions. This channel is built on one core belief: learning should be meaningful, practical, and inspiring. So, whether you are a student striving for academic excellence, a parent spotting your child's growth, or someone preparing for a government career, there is a something here for you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's make learning a powerful and lifelong journey together. Thank you.